Hey guys, it's our first day in the new shop, so I'm really excited to get things going today. I'm not gonna film it, but I'm gonna start with some interior stuff, and then I'd love to be able to get some of the first cuts on the front bumper today. So let's get to work. So all I did in the interior was strip out more of that sound deadening gross stuff, and I reinstalled the glove box up there. Now I'm just gonna wrench around in the engine bay a little bit, remove some of the stuff I don't need, like the coolant reservoir and some of the pop-up headlight stuff. I did already move the intake, so now that's pretty much ready to go, so I'm just gonna start seeing what I can remove. Okay, so I removed a lot of the spare metal and just stuff around where we'll be cutting, so we're pretty much ready to start cutting now. I'm not just going to lob off the whole thing, I'm just going to take it a little bit at a time, and hopefully everything goes well. Is it clear? I have no clue how to use this thing. Okay, I looked up a few videos on how to use my angle grinder, so hopefully I won't kill myself now. Okay, so my camera's dying and it's getting pretty late, so I'm gonna call it a night for now, but I'm really happy with how far we got. Tomorrow I'm gonna come back and try to get this other middle section piece out, so I'll see you then. Hey guys, a few weeks have gone by since I was last here, but I'm ready to work, so let's get to it. Now I'm going to take a reciprocating saw and get some of the harder to cut areas. It's actually been about a week or two since I last filmed. I've had a lot of stuff going on at home, so I haven't really been able to get out here and get to work. So I'm going to work on being a little more consistent with my uploads and filming and everything, but I'm here now, so let's get to work. So that saw didn't work out quite as well as I was hoping it to, so I'm gonna go try with the angle grinder again, and we'll just see what else we can get off. I couldn't get too much more done with that tiny wheel, but I did what I could. I also took just the grinding wheel to sort of smooth down some of the edges so they're not razor sharp. And with that, I'll probably close out today's video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and/or subscribe. It all means a lot to me. Have a good day, and I'll see you next time.
This is gonna be so good. Alright, keep the cat by you, Tyler, for sure.
Why don't you just go right through?
Oh god, right under the engines.
Why you hit the brakes, man?
Because I would have slid right into there.
Yeah.
Because guys our weight, you know, we can't speed fast.